For fleet owners, protecting customer relationships is crucial in this economy. But did you know that if your Heil fleet is equipped with Third-Eye or Soft-Pak, you have productivity tools at your fingertips to monitor safety, en-route productivity, contamination, and maintenance, as well as the ability to passively monitor the conditions around your refuse collection vehicle and the containers they service. And did you know that much of this functionality is available even if you're not currently running Heil refuse collection vehicles? Thankfully, the Soft-Pak and Third-Eye integration means that if you're currently running Mobile-Pak equipped trucks, turn-by-turn navigation is preloaded on your fleet's in-cab tablets, ensuring that drivers know where their customers are before the truck ever leaves the yard. And once your driver services the customer, if they are running Third-Eye Verif-Eye, the service event is automatically captured without driver interaction, and the data from the event is sent to the cloud for easy, accurate billing. If your assets have a subscription to the Optim-Eyes predictive and prescriptive maintenance SaaS module, your fleet maintenance team is fed a rich stream of operational data, ensuring that trucks remain productive and profitable, with system capability to identify potential performance issues before they can bring a truck down. Likewise, fleet owners that have refuse collection vehicles loaded with a Third-Eye Purify contamination module can identify recycling contamination at the source, allowing them to perform container audits and notify customers of their recycling contamination issues, providing the ability to recoup some of the costs associated with contaminated loads. If you're not yet aware of all the tools at your disposal with connected collections, contact your Heil, Third-Eye, or Soft-Pak sales representative today. Connected collections, allowing fleet owners to make better decisions faster.